Mistake number one, what usually traders do, they do not have proper trading plan. If we talk about any of the things to manage, like it's a rule of management that planning is the most important thing to be done. In the similar way, to grow your capital into any of the market, let's say talk about Forex and COMEX market, so even there the planning is the most important thing. And as of now, as traders are not having any proper plan, so they are not able to sustain in this market for long-term basis. Now the question is, what do you mean by planning trades? So here, if you would be aware about the investment, like okay, if this is my capital and by this capital I have to start my trading, then only you can have the further plan. Then the second question should be, for how long I have to be utilizing the same capital to grow in a proper manner. Let's take an example over here. For example, a customer want to start his trading or her trading with a capital of $1,000. Now, you should have a planning in your mind that with that $1,000 in 1 month, what kind of percentage of return you are expecting on that. And what would be the necessary steps to be taken to make that kind of returns over that capital in your portfolio. Third thing, which is the most important thing to be done, is that whether that returns are getting achieved or not. Your investment should be fixed. The expectations over that investment in terms of return should be fixed, and you have to follow all those necessary steps to be done that it will be leading to deliver that kind of returns over your portfolio.